Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is one of the video of the series of creating a supercomputer or a computer for astrophotography rig for your astrophotography needs. As you know, the astrophotography sessions requires a lot of computing power to stack all the images and everything. This is an attempt to create a supercomputer with maximum possible configuration, which will drastically improve your astrophotography's processing times and will help you a lot. Today I have in this series a video of unboxing of this DDR4 RAM. This is 2 plates of DDR4 8GB RAM with total of 16 GB RAM of 3600 MHz. This is made by Corsair. Today in my channel I am going to do an unboxing for this DDR4 RAM for you. Ensure that you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information or specifications that I have to share. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. When you purchase this Corsair DDR4 RAM, this is the box in which you get it. This is an amazing box that you see. It is very colorful. It is DDR4 RAM with 2 sticks of 8GB each, so total of 16 GB RAM that you have. It is of 3600 MHz. It is made by Corsair. So before you buy this RAM, ensure that your motherboard is compatible with the clock speed. By default, when you have this RAM, it is clocked at 2400 MHz. So you have to boost the clock speed in the software of this RAM that it comes with, or you can download it from the website. So on the top you have Corsair branding and then the picture of the RAM itself. This is an RGB RAM. It is a Vengeance series RGB PRO RAM. It is compatible with Q software, Intel XMP certified. Let us see on the back what it has. It has few of the specifications. What important it says is you can customize the color of this RAM. It has around 10 LEDs which is individually controllable so that you can have a beautiful rainbow lights if you want. This looks very amazing. Apart from it is compatible to Q, it is also compatible to Aura, for ASUS, for gigabyte RGB, and for MSI RGB lighting controllable motherboard too. So if your motherboard supports any of these technologies, you can control the light without any problem. Even if you do not have compatible motherboard, I think it has a default lighting mode which it will switch on to, so it looks beautiful. So now let us open this box and see what is there inside. So in the box there is nothing more. I will keep it aside for now. So these are the 2 RAMs that it comes with, along with some of the safety information and your RGB memory guide. So I think this will have a lot of information that you need on how to set up this and everything. So if you want, you can go through it. I will have another video while I will be assembling this complete computer for you guys on my channel. So ensure that you stay tuned to my channel. So I will keep this information aside for now. Let's see what else is there. Now let us open the RAM itself directly. So I think it opens, wonderful. So this opens on from the side. You see there are 2 RAMs inside. This is of 8GB each. As you can see on this RAM, it is mentioned 16 GB 4M 2D 3600 C18 DDR4 RAM. This is made by Corsair. This is Vengeance RGB PRO. So this is the RAM that you get inside. This is very sturdily built. On the top you have a metal plating, so I think it is well suited for your heatsink properties. Apart from a sturdy build, it also gives the functionality of keeping it cool. It is made in Taiwan and it looks very pretty. So these are the 2 RAMs that it comes with, and it was nicely packed inside. I will be doing another video, like I said, on complete assembling of this supercomputer that I am planning to make. So this is it guys. This is the unboxing of Vengeance Corsair RGB PRO. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and clear skies.